If you're here, you must be looking at a 12-volt mini-split air conditioner. Now you can see on the screen, this one here has the red box for outside and the 5 vents on the inside. Okay, well the inside part may change, but it's this outside part. Has this grill on it. I have another picture of it here in a minute, but it's this red one. It doesn't matter what this inside unit looks like. There's a few different configurations, but the inside unit is okay. It's the outside unit that's defective. There's another view of it. And the seller here, sold by Global6 store, Online6 store. Okay, this seller is deceptively dishonest, does not stand behind the product, knows that it's defective, will not send a replacement, stands behind AliExpress, here's their name, Global6, Online6 store. And there's a better picture of what the outside unit looks like. Any of them that have this pattern on the back, yeah, it's defective. Just figure it's defective. Don't buy it, don't order it, don't consider it. Because the seller, here we go with the error code, E3, there's the compressor. Yeah, try searching for that part number. And yeah, I found a Facebook post written in Georgian that had 3, but I have no idea what the Facebook post actually said. May have said, here, I got some junk defective compressor. Now, why this is any different than looking at a picture of the same thing and imagining beeping, I don't know. Here we go, dude. Oh. It keeps doing this. I don't know what its malfunction is, but this is clearly, apparently defective. How else would you classify it? I mean, that's ridiculous. Look. And the seller sent me this when I asked what well, I wanted a manual because it didn't come with any user manual, period. So this is what the problem is. Locked rotor protection. I'll leave it there for a few seconds. Let it sink in, let you read it. Okay, you can pause the video if you need to. Yeah, they know what the problem is and they won't stand behind their product.